through fire and rain, felt the sorrow, felt the pain, but we never walked alone. We have built a heart of stone. When the world was turning cold, we held on and took control. We believed we'd find the way to a brighter, better day. No mountain is too high to climb. We will conquer space and time. Hand in hand we stand as one until the battle is done. Oh, we are strong. Together we belong. Nothing can break us, nothing can tear us apart. We have the power deep inside our hearts. Oh, we are strong. We carry on. Side by side we face the dawn. Through the struggle and the fight, we will always stand up tall. We are strong, yeah, we are strong. We don't need to be afraid. We are not afraid to fall, 'cause we know we'll rise again, stronger than we were before. Every scar is just a sign of a victory so divine. We are warriors inside, with a fire that won't die. Oh, we are strong. Together we belong. Nothing can break us, nothing can tear us apart. We have the